final output after end of this video tutorial. Python. See, now the chatbot is working. What is the capital of India? The capital of India is New Delhi. Again, one more question I will ask. Create two most important interview questions. Interview question in Python. I don't want code, only questions. And here we got a chatbot reply. Here are two most important. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue. The today's tutorial is how to create a free API key with Gemini AI Studio. So let's start the tutorial. Switch over to the Gemini. Just for the time saving, I have logged into my Gemini AI Studio. In the left panel, notice there is the API keys. Click that. Right now, I don't have any API keys are created. So let's create API key. This API key is free generated. Create key. And here our API key has been created successfully. This is my API key. And after that, switch over to Visual Studio. Let's delete this one. Now the code is fast. You need to install GenAI. I'm not showing how to install these all GenAI and everything because it's very simple to install. Let's continue the tutorial. From Google import GenAI. This package you must install if you want to use this API key. After that, I'm using .env file to secure my API keys. This is the best method to use API keys in Python. From .env import load_.env. Then I need import os. So load_.env client is equals to genai.Client. In this method, I'm creating API_key which takes a string parameter. API key os.getenv method. It's a string parameter, so double quotes. Now in this double quotes, I will add my API key. So switch over. Here I'm adding Gemini. Let's put capital letters Gemini_API_key is equals to, and my API key, this is the API key. I'm copying this one. Let's copy that one. Copied. Switch over to Visual Studio. I'm pasting here. Let's save this file first. Save. Then let's copy this API name only, not the entire part, only this part only. I'm pasting here. While true, user_input. I'm creating a variable here, user input u. It will prompt when program executes, it will prompt with u. Now when this application executes, the first it will display this prompt u, so you can communicate with the chatbot with your prompts. After that, if user_input.lower function, this is function double equals to exit, which is a string, exit colon break. And this if condition, if a user types exit, it terminates the application. Then response is equals to client.models. This is very important step. Generate_content function. Here I am adding the model. Model is equals to, which takes a string parameter. When we are using free trials, you have to use only this model only, which is the Gemini -2.5 flash contents is equals to What contains this user input content? That's it. Now we need to print bot, chatbot response dot text. That's it. Let's save this file. Go to file, save all, open terminal. For that, go to view, terminal. Let's clear the terminal first. Python. See, now the chatbot is working. What is the capital of India? The capital of India is New Delhi. Again, one more question I will ask. Create two most important interview questions. Interview question in Python. I don't want code, only questions. And here we got a chatbot reply. Here are two most important interview questions in Python. Discuss the concept of mutable and immutable objects in Python. And the second one is explain the relationship between iterators and generators in Python. That's it. Now, if you type exit, this one exit in small letters, the application will terminate it. See? Clear. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to use the Gemini AI Studio free API key in Python. If you like this video tutorial, please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial. And please don't forget to enable the bell icon.